Dear students, let's have a quick discussion on basic nature of aromatic amines, the steric inhibition of protonation effect in aromatic amines here. So here when we have an aniline, so which is aromatic amine, and we have aniline with a para substitution, right? So here we have aniline which is having a group G at the ortho position. See, the simple aniline is more basic than this ortho substituted aniline. Whatever the group may be, this if the group G is bulky group, whether it will be electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group, if it is having bulky nature, so the basic nature of this aniline will be decreased. Basic nature of this amine will be decreased because of steric inhibition of protonation. Now what exactly steric inhibition of protonation here? See, we know the amines, the aromatic amines show their basic nature due to presence of this non-bonding electrons, right? Okay. Now after accepting this H plus ion, it will become the conjugate acid like this, right? So this anilinium ion will be less stable. Why it will be less stable? Because of the steric repulsions between these protons and this bulky G group. So due to the steric repulsion, the conjugate acid is least stable, therefore the base is least basic. Therefore always remember, ortho substituted anilines are less basic than this normal aniline. Okay, I hope it is clear. So this concept is called what? The steric inhibition of protonation effect. So you can take a note of this, so which will be highly helpful. Let's solve a question on this. See, I have given these amines. Okay, now arrange them based on their basic nature. Look here, we have a simple aniline. Here methyl group, methyl group, methyl group. So we know alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. So this will releases the electron. Therefore it enhances the electron density and enhances the basic nature of this amine, right? So that will easily accept the proton, right? So 4 is more basic. Therefore again, now between 3 and 2, here we have a methyl group at the meta position, so it will also act as plus I group and it will also increase the basic nature by releasing the electrons. So I am writing 3. So now out of this 2 and 1, which is more basic here? Now here we have electron releasing group, but that is at the ortho position. So whenever we have a group, whenever we have a bulky group at ortho position, so whatever it may be, releasing or withdrawing, so basic nature of that particular amine will be reduced. Why it is decreased? Because of the steric repulsion between this bulky group and the hydrogen atoms and the nitrogen. Therefore its basic nature is least, okay, and basic nature is least, and here we have 1. I hope it is clear. Because of steric inhibition of protonation, 2 is least basic than this 1. I hope. So 2 is less basic than this 1. I hope the concept is clear, right? So if you really like the content, please click on the like button. Thank you.